Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at some things that you can do if you receive the DISM error 14098. The component store has been corrupted. For a more in-depth look, we will link an article in the description down below. Open a command prompt with administrative privileges. Type in DISM /online /cleanup, one word, hyphen, image, /restore health, and hit enter. Depending on the level of corruption, this might take 15 minutes or more. After that's completed, type exit, restart your computer, and check and see if the problem has been resolved. We can uninstall recently installed updates. Go to Settings, go to Update and Security, Windows Updates, Update History, and click on Uninstall Updates. Uninstall the most recent updates and then restart. See if this fixes the problem. You might need to reset the Windows Update components. This is a drawn-out process that requires a lot of intricate steps. We will talk about that step by step in the article linked. For more helpful articles on how to maximize your digital universe, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making your digital life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.